Welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and we have another unboxing, and this package has come from the States. With scissors, armed with scissors, away we go. Alright. So, I have no idea what's in this. Is it trash? Or is it treasure? Hopefully it's treasure. I hope you feel the same as well. Ah, look at these little beauties. Now I reckon these are either for Gillette Slims, Gillette Fat Boys, or both. So I was able to get hold of 6 of them. Tempting if I should open one of these or not. That one pretty much is open, isn't it? Yeah, let's do it. Easy does it, big fella. Oh, yeah, Mr. Foamy. Or Gillette Foamy. Oh, looks like a flare. Super speed. Very interesting. Oh, there you go. I was completely off the mark. Let's pop that back in there. Ah, some more blades. So these ones I'm interested to have a go at. Quite a long dispenser. So I will be opening up one of these and having a shave with it. Probably be this one. Check out the blades. Made in England. Super Sword Edge, stainless steel. Sold in America. Oh, it's 5 and 10 blades. There you go. And that was printed in America, but made in England. Here we go. I think I know what this one is. And if so, it is a beauty. Very nicely wrapped. Maybe it's a scissor job. Oh yeah, it is. It is, people. I really don't want to put the scissors down there, so... Pardon me. Rightio, just checking that was still on record. Just had another parcel rock up. What's underneath? It's the back. There we have it. New old stock. This is unbelievable. How does this happen, people? This is 65 years old. Just needs a bit of a polish there. Never sold. Or if it was sold, it was just never used. Given as a gift, maybe. I'm stunned. Absolutely stunned. Well, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing as much as I did. Wow. Okay. Well, hopefully I'll see you on Friday and for another shave. Okay. Take care. Ciao for now.